You're not, I've been saying for a long time, your voice is not in shape. You gotta take a break. Okay. So, as we continue as a band, most of you probably don't know, but up here we have lots of family members. Like I said, big family, big band. You can even have a soccer team, really, if you have a big family, right? Okay. So my youngest brother, this is my brother-in-law. Okay. And my other brother is the other singer, Ko. So there's 3 brothers, brother-in-law, and these are like really related. We're all related Hmong somehow, right? So we're all related, but very, very related and related. So part of like our 3 brothers' story is that, for those who don't know, is that Ku Yunyang Blote and then Ko Yunyang Blote and then Bei Lo Trofakite na, Tàu ít chế cho bùa xa chào xa. 1977. Chị biết là cho phát kỳ tế, chị thằng đầu cũng có chỉ dùng chị biết tôi phát kỳ tế, chị biết tôi cần ở chị. French was almost like my first language really, and then Hmong is like became a second language. So my accent, yes, I know I have an accent. It's a French accent, it's not really like a weird accent, but that's why my English is weird. Okay, but part of us going to France is that it influenced a lot of our music. Okay. So when we did one album, we experimented with writing with some French lyrics in there, and I think some of you might know the lyrics. You might probably don't know. They probably don't know what it means. But tonight I'm gonna for Hmong Story 40, I'm gonna do one that traces our roots as a band back to France. Okay, so get your French ready. Yeah, you could sing with me too. If you know, even if you don't understand, I know you probably know the words. And at the same time, we're also experimenting with some rapping. So Long came along and Long said, "I want to rap." Yeah. So because you're here, I'm gonna give you some rap. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, stay here. You get more prizes. All right. So here we go.
C'est pour toi que je suis tombé. L'amitié et l'amour tous me regarder. Rien le feu ni le froid peuvent nous affecter. Même le jour, même la nuit semble me quitter. C'est pour ça, mon amour, que je veux t'aimer. I 멀리까지 못 그렸죠 I'm in love I'm in love 우회적 너무 못 앞서져 놓고 어디다 포셔도 레몬 부지연루 얼른 늦어지주라 문제야 같은 멋진 할 멀리까지 못 그연수 I'm in love I'm in love 구역까지 해야지 불어대고 passagem liga eu pulo com a mão não te botava ligar com a cruz só não te ai não ligar te não puto I'm in love I'm in love
chào chuyển giao cá lục với chị Minh Chị. So who lives in Sacramento?